गौरपृष्ठाय भूतले श्रीमद्भक्तिप्रमोदाय पुरिगच्छामि नामिने। नमो विष्णुपादाय कृष्णपृष्ठाय भूतले श्रीमते भक्तिसिद्धान्त सरस्वतीति नामिने। वंशाकल्पतरुभ्यश्च कृपासिन्धुभ्यैव च पतितानां पावनेभ्यो वैष्णवेभ्यो नमो नमः। श्रीकृष्ण चैतन्य प्रभु नित्यानंद श्री अद्वैत गदाधर शिवासादि गौर भक्तवृंद। हरे कृष्ण 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 हरे हरे, हरे राम 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 हरे हरे। All glories to Sri Guru and Gauranga. All glories to Hare Krishna Mahamantra Sankirtan. All glories to Guru Parampara. All glories to His Divine Grace Satchidananda Srila Bhaktivinoda Thakur. All glories to Jaiva Dharma. All glories to my spiritual master, His Divine Grace Bhakti Pramod Puri Goswami Thakur. All glories to my grand spiritual master, His Divine Grace Srila Bhakti Siddhanta Saraswati Goswami Thakur. So first, here is the question. When there is an appearance of Gurudev, when he is not physically present in this world, is it inappropriate to chant Ji Anilo, Je Anilo, Je Anilo, Je Anilo Premadhana Koruna Pocho, and how they do it in the mouth? Actually, Je Anila Premadhana Koruna Prachur, Hana Prabhu Kotha Gela, Acharya Thakur. Usually this song written by Narottam Thakur for the separation. Any time if you feel separation for your Gurudev, you can chant it, no problem. If you feel disappearance or feel separation for your anyone of Acharya, you can chant, no problem. You know, Acharya's appearance, disappearance, both are same. Both we use Mahotsav. Avirvaha Mahotsav means great festival. Tiroha Mahotsav, disappearance festival. Both are same. So we can chant, especially disappearance day. So, but if you feel separation for anyone, you can chant. Gurudev, when he is not physically present, if you feel separation, you can chant, okay. Then Sarveshwari Mataji, Vrinda Devi is glorified as Krishna Das, Krishna's pastimes, potency, Lila Sakhi. In this world, you assume the form of Tulsi tree. In the prayer of Tulsi Arati, one of the sentences is, I am fallen, but I desire that you make me a resident of Mayapur. Can you please explain? You know, Mayapur is Audarya Pradhan Madhurya. Audarya means magnanimity. People not qualified. But Mayapur Dham, Lord has special blessings for devotees, for everyone. So, Mayapur, yeah, this is Mayapura Diobhas. Mayapura Diobhas. Yes. So we can pray about it. But not in the Tulsi form. Tulsi form is appropriate only for Vrinda Devi, because it is promise. It was a promise of Lord Vishnu. He will accept service from her lips. We cannot, in this world, we assume the form of Tulsi tree. No, we don't want to be Tulsi tree. The Tulsi appropriate only for Vrinda Devi, which is Tulsi, but this is also Vrinda Sakhi. Vrinda Sakhi also is Sakhi, who is helping Radharani in seventh jam. Vrinda Sakhi is there, and she is preparing Radharani accordingly. If there is waxing moon cycle time, so she dressing Radharani accordingly, like all the white color dress, outfit. If there is waning moon time, waning moon period, so she prepare Radharani the black color, dark color. So this on the one there, Mayapur, and 18/8/40. Today is 18, yeah. Gaura Nam Prabhu, who is Vrinda Devi, Biro Devi, and what is her service in Vrindavan? Biro Vrinda Purnamasi Gopeshwara Samanitam. Biro actually Radharani's very close associates. Like Lalita, Vrinda, Biro, Biro Vrinda, Birodduti, Biro Brati. So, Biro means a very much close associate of Srimati Radharani, like Vrinda, it's one of them. So they are also helping, she is also helping in Kunj, Sanket Kunj, to prepare Srimati Radharani's. The previous question was inspired from another question from Sarveshwari Mataji, who wanted to know in Vrindavan, 3 or 4 personally, 3 are, no, there are 3, not 3. There are 4 personality residing there, Gopishwara. Purnamasi, Brinda Devi, Gopesh, or there, Gopeshwara, Purnamasi, Brinda, Biraditi, Biro, Brinda, Purnamasi, Gopeshwara Samanitam. Biradruti, Brindadruti, Purnamasi, Gopeshwara. That is 4. Very close associate. Very, there's 8, 108 beads. There is 4, no, 8 are like a principal Sakhis of Radharani. Then 64 gopis, 32 cowherd boys, and then this is 104, right? And then there is a 4 extra. Biro, Vrinda, Purnamasi, Gopeshwara. Viradduti, Vrindaduti, Purnamasi, Purnamasi, Jogamaya, and Gopeshwar is Kshir Sagar. There is a door of Vrindavan. So he is sitting there. Question from Gauranam Prabhu. Are the orange carrot in Australia a forbidden food like the carrot in India, onion and garlic? Gauranam, very nice question. Yeah, if you like, you can take it. Carrot is not that much effective. But onion, garlic, obviously, it is not applicable wherever it is. But carrot, usually Sanatana Goswami Pad in Hari Bhakti Vilas explain, carrot is called gajar. Gajar nishiddha. Nishiddha means prohibited. That is explained in Hari Bhakti Vilas by Sanatana Goswami Pad. So, but this, our Guru Varga, His Divine Grace, Bhakti Vedanta Swami Goswami Maharaj, he explained for his disciples and followers, they can accept it. So we have to follow the footsteps of our Guru Varga. So Bhakti Vedanta Swami Maharaj also one of our Guru Varga. Therefore, we can accept it. But most of our Guru Varga, they are like my spiritual master, he accepts when doctor prescribe as medicine, that time he accept it. I remember whenever my doctor says that he needs more protein because he is not eating enough quantity, but you have to feed him just more protein and more valuable food which can stand his body. So that time doctor prescribed, he just feed him carrot juice with paneer. We feed him. Apple, boiled apple, feed him in that way. Even I saw like Siddhar Goswami Maharaj's temple, they are not also that much strict about carrot. Even the Bhaktivedanta Bana Goswami Maharaj's temple, they are not that much strict about carrot. So, but usually my spiritual master not allowing in our temple the carrot. But I saw in its last several years, when it's 90, 98, 99, 2 years, we used to feed him every day carrot juice. When a carrot soup, not juice, soup. Huh? So, and he accepted. So therefore, if you like Guranam, if you love carrot, take it. Orange carrot, take it. But not red mosur dal, red lentis dal. Not onion, not garlic. Hare Krishna, I hope I cover all the questions, but I remember the Paramarthi Maharaj asked one question that I forget. But as I remember, who sent I forget. As I remember why Krishna appeared in Jadav dynasty. Am I right? So I remember, as I remember. Because Krishna, the Supreme Lord always appeared in different caste. Like Ramchandra appeared in Kshatriya family. Then Krishna appeared in business family, Jadava. Then Mahaprabhu appeared in Brahmin family, Mishra. That is that, maybe this is chain. But ultimate answer is, where Krishna will appear, where Lord will appear, that is his desire only. No one can say that particular reason. If someone say, this is the reason, like Haridas Thakur appeared in Muslim family, he is Brahma. Why? That is explanation in Chaitanya Bhagavat, Chaitanya Charitamrita. I think Chaitanya Charitamrita, yeah. That explanation is this, जात कुल सब निरर्थक बुझाइते जन्मिलेन हरिदास जवन कुलेते. Jat means actually caste and creed, all are meaningless in order to prove it. Meaningless for chanting Hare Krishna Mahamantra and deliver ourselves from this miserable mundane world, in order to make ourselves understand. Haridas Thakur born, Brahma born in the family, Muslim family. So there is a proof, but there is no any kind of proof exists the why Krishna appeared particularly in Jadav dynasty. I'm just sharing with you this my feeling that traditionally he is coming first Kshatriya, Vaishya and Brahmin. Kshatriya, Ramchandra, Vaishya, Krishna and Brahmin, Chaitanya Mahaprabhu. Hope you understand. And if there is any other answer, you can share me later on. Let me check the Jaiva Dharma. I forget, 2 weeks ago, where I read, I forget it, but I will find out. Just a minute. Let me see the desktop. Yeah, Bengali books. Because I am reading from Bengali, because Bengali version, original version, when Prabhupada Bhakti Siddhanta Saraswati Thakur was not even sannyasi, even his sign is there. There is a sign also there that Bimala Prasad, not Bhakti Siddhanta Saraswati Thakur. That book's version, fortunately I have, is written, is Prakashita, long time, Bimala Prasad. Page number 10, we have put it. Let me just wait, Prabhu, actually, this, everything in my computer, right now I'm supposed to buy one book, Bengali books, Bengali, Jaiva Dharma. but due to COVID, I am not going out, and okay, I hope we read until the two conditional living entities. One is Shuddha Avastha, one is Baddha Avastha. Shuddha Avastha means pure, and Baddha Avastha bondage. This is the two conditions. Shuddha, pure condition, and Baddha means bondage condition. We are all your bondage. Whoever here in the material world and who is not close connected with Lord, all they are materially bound condition. Shuddha Avastha, Jeev Keval Chinmay. Whenever pure means close to Lord, absorbed chanting constantly, on a 24 hours we are absorbing chanting. Like, this, I think this yesterday, when you are reading the Harinam Chintamani, at that time, Nirantar, that word, I use it, when Haridas Thakur use it, Nirantar means constantly who is chanting Hare Krishna Mahamantra, will consider he is Madhyam Vaishnava, right? But you can see Shuddha Avastha, that type of Vaishnava, Madhyam Vaishnava and Uttam Vaishnava, means to whom we see and our devotion awaken in our heart. Our devotion awaken in our heart. That is called Uttam Vaishnava. There, the Bhaktivinoda Thakur says, Shuddha Avastha Jeev Keval Chinmay, only transcendental. When you are at Chinmay, you can say consciousness, full of consciousness they have. Full of consciousness will consider that person who is really, really connected, wanted to connect to the Lord. 5 types of consciousness is there. One is Achhadita, means covered consciousness, like a tree plant like that. Sankuchita, little bit advanced than covered. This is called Sankuchita. That consciousness we can see birds, animals, all this. I can give an example. That example is this. This, and one human, if they know, person is keeping them, feeding them nicely. But purpose, when time will come, that executioner will chop him. When this situation human have, usually they're not interested to eat anything, right? But if you can see the slaughterhouse, all the cows, goat, they are fighting amongst each other to eat. Although they saw the executioner just chopping who was next to him, but still they are fighting for eating. This is called Sankuchita Chetan. Means little bit more awakened than covert consciousness. This Achhadita, Sankuchita. Then Bikoshito. Bikoshito Chetan is like a human. How much human are, Bikoshita means more conscious than Achhadita and Sankuchita. Because human, how much they are advanced, spiritually greed. They have greediness to to deliver themselves from this miserable mundane world, they are called that much Bikoshito. Bikoshito, Purno Bikoshito means absolute, means Purno Bikoshito means who is fully this pure devotee. Pure devotee. That such type of pure devotee, they are Keval Chinmay. That's whatever they do, everything for the satisfaction of Lord. Satisfaction of Lord. তখন তাহার জড় সম্বন্ধ থাকে না. Whenever people is pure, they are not materially bound condition. They can see pure devotee, they don't cry with any material lose. When they are losing anything, like I can give an example, my spiritual master. When once, it was, I think 1995, one cheater, in the name of devotee, he came. And gradually he was showing his activity. All we can trust him. So I was also foolishness. At foolishness, I just put him in our office, in my office. In my office, I gave him checkbook with signature checkbook. So he peacefully go to bank, all bank finish. Of course, that time we don't have a lot of money. So that person, all together our money, in temple, in bank, everything, almost 85,000 rupees. 1995, he stole. And he left. Then I was in Delhi, because Gurudev sent me to find a place in Vrindavan which we can get it free. We have no money. Therefore he told me, go to Jaipur, king of Jaipur. In order to meet with king of Jaipur, I went to Jaipur. And there is one of our godmother, which income tax tribunal officer, Satyendra Bhan Chaturvedi. Gurudev gave him name Satyanarayan Prabhu. So anyway, I went to there. Then I got news that to whom I appointed in my office, he stole all the money. And bank, even this next day, what you cook, nothing is there in Mayapur. Gurudev was there. I was too much confused. I went with depression face, with fear. As soon as I entered to the room of Gurudev, he was smiling face. He says, one thief gave us, and one thief take from us. So it is equal balance. Both are proper balance. Then I asked him, I can understand what you want to say. I was thinking he will chastise me, he will chastise me by any way. But this was 97-year-old, that because of me he may feel distressed. So devote his money I lose because of my foolishness. But he says one thief means Krishna. Krishna stealing butter. This is, there is a song, Sanskrit song. Braje prasiddhang navanita chaurang that song. So Krishna is thief. Chaura means thief. So one thief gave us. So Krishna gave us. One thief take from us. And one thief came and take all of us, take everything. More, almost everything balanced. Then I feel relief. So my question is this: if this thing at that time, 1995, 1995, there is 95,000, 1995, 95,000, 85,000 rupees. It is almost Australia nowadays time $15,000, maybe more than $20,000. But now, $20,000 for that time, it was really valuable. But Gurudev has no repercussion. Even he says, money loss is nothing loss. Character loss, everything loss. He also gave me this. So such type of, he has no any connection with material things. Therefore you can see, Bhaktivinoda Thakur says, Takhon tahar jara sambandha thake na. When person become pure, means connected with connected with God. By anyway, Hare Krishna chanting, pure chanting Hare Krishna Mahamantra, he got the eternal identity. So he is not keeping any connection, material connection with anyone. So that I saw with my spiritual master. Shuddha avasthate jeev onu padartha. Shuddha avasthateo means even the pure condition, pure beings, still he is an atom. Anupadartha. সে অনুত্ত প্রযুক্ত জীবের অবস্থান্তর প্রাপ্তির সম্ভাবনা. Although it is atom, tiny, but অবস্থান্তর means he can transcend. প্রাপ্তির সম্ভাবনা. বৃহৎ চৈতন্য স্বরূপ কৃষ্ণের স্বভাবত অবস্থান্তর নাই. Brihat Chaitanya means Vibhu Chaitanya means huge. From where all the atom comings. Like a fire and fire flame. On the fire flame you can see so many fire spark. That is called all the jiva. And fire is like a god. So this Brihat Chaitanya Swarup Krishna Shavat Avasthantar Nai. Krishna is not changing. Always in same condition. Krishna may be atom, may be huge, but always same. All are like, there is a explanation in our India. Krishna can easily enter in the needle have one hole, tiny hole, in that way he can. Krishna is such a small, but Krishna also such a huge, omnipotent. Krishna knew everything. বৃহৎ চৈতন্য স্বরূপত কৃষ্ণের স্বভাবত স্বরূপ চৈতন্য স্বরূপ কৃষ্ণের স্বভাবত অবস্থান্তর নাই. তিনি বৃহৎ, বস্তুত বৃহৎ, পূর্ণ, শুদ্ধ ও সনাতন. means Krishna means বৃহৎ, Vibhu means huge, বৃহৎ, পূর্ণ, absolute, Shuddha, pure, Sanatan, eternal. So we are coming from there. Brahma explained, Ishvara Parama Krishna Satchidananda Vigraha Anadiradi Govinda Sarvakarana Karanam. Mama explain it. Ishvara Parama Krishna, Parameshwar Krishna, Satchid Ananda Vigraha, Anadiradi Govinda, is before creation, present, after devastation, always will be exist. And Sarva Karana Karanam is cause of the causes. জীব বস্তুত অনুখণ্ড অশুদ্ধ হইবার যোগ্য এবং অর্বাচীন, the living entities, বস্তুত means in reality and according to their condition, their onu, atom, khondo, divided, ashuddha, impure. Why? Because which association we are, our mood accordingly prepare. Like if you are bad association, means always thinking about how to kill people, how to cheat people, so they are always thinking about all this improper understanding, so their nature also gradually like that. You can see one policeman, right? Don't think of them. Policeman or police officer, because they go there, there are very few people, I have seen this, very few police, they are really spiritually interested. Most of the Polish people, they are interested only money and sense enjoyment desire. I met so many police, DG, IG, DIG, everybody, with everyone. I asked them, they say, Maharaj, this line is like a fake line. We are not helping people. We are putting, here DG says to me, but this DG means, India DG means actually Director General of one state police, who is directing entire police department. That is called DG. IG means Inspector General of Police. Yes, DG's next post is IG. I met both of them in West Bengal. Then they make them friend after that. They gradually become devotee. But when I ask them, they say, we want to be devotee, but departmental work not allowing to be devotee. Actually, this post, always thinking, just negative, no positive. So such type of, whatever association we have, our nature, our culture, our understanding, everything goes according to the influence of our association. So therefore, avasthantar, always arbachin, khanda. Today he is good, bad, tomorrow he become good. Khanda. Why? As soon as jiva got, living entities, human, they are getting very nice association. Then we can see one dacoit, he becomes great sadhu. Like our Jagai Madha, he became a great sadhu. Chatkaji was Muslim, he broke the mridanga, then he became devotee of Chaitanya Mahaprabhu. I think all of you know the Chatkaji's history. I hope so, all the devotees who is listening. So জীব বস্তুত অনু খণ্ড অশুদ্ধ, it's depending on our association. Of course, জীব অনু atom, খণ্ড, okay, although atom, but fire spark, if they are alone moving, they have no value. I can finish that. But if it touch the ignitable store, make big fire. Like recently you can see that near Dubai, I think this is airport or near or any supermarket, it was burning. Huge fire flame. So this is the condition. Therefore, always we should find out where we can get pure association. Pure association. Pure means which association inspiring us to be connected with Krishna, Supreme Lord Parameshwar. That is called pure association. Kintu dharma to ji brihad, akhanda, shuddha, sanatan. But originally, all living being, living being, brihad, akhanda, unable to divide it. Shuddha, sanatan. When we are close to Lord. No, condition, we are in the middle. This side illusion, this side Bhagavan, Supreme Lord. When you are running behind illusion, Bhagavan that much far, Supreme Lord that much far. When running behind towards Bhagavan, then illusion far. How much we are far from illusion, that much we will be more blissful, connected to the Lord, and a pure, akhanda, shuddha, and feeling of Sanatan. We are actually Sanatan. We never die. Just according to karma, we are just moving from one body to another body. জীব যতক্ষণ শুদ্ধ ততক্ষণই তা স্বধর্মের বিমল পরিচয়। জীব যতক্ষণ শুদ্ধ means how long জীব become connected with pure, then he could তার স্বধর্মের means his own identity. You can see. Dharma, actually dharma means what is our function, ultimate function of our soul, ultimate, eternal, natural function of our soul, that is our dharma. If you look, natural, eternal, ultimate function of us, which like you become eternally blissful. Eternally blissful is Supreme Lord. Is Supreme Lord only. So, when they are Shuddha, means they are connected with proper association, pure beings, pure state. Only that much period of time his Bimala Parichaya, means no dart is taking place in his activities. Jeev যখন মায়া সম্বন্ধে অশুদ্ধ হন, when living entities connected with Maya, means trap with Maya. Why I am telling so, trap with Maya? When we are in material world, means we are in the Maya's world. But Maya will not disturb us. When Maya look, we are closely connected with Lord. Maya re koriya joy chhalano na jai. Krishna says, Daivi jesha gunamayi mama maya durattaya mame bhaja papaddante maya metang tarantite. Means Daivi jesha gunamayi mama maya durattaya means it is impossible to overcome my Maya. Then next line he says, Mame bhaja papaddante, but it is possible. To whom it is possible? Who actually prapaddante, who surrendered to me. Maya metang tarantite, only that person can escape my Maya. That condition, surrender, who is surrendered soul, they are Bimal Parijaya. They realized my eternal identity. But when Maya Sambandha, they are always changing their relation. Today we may say, she is my daughter, she is my mother. Tomorrow when the mother come to the womb of daughter as a son, the mother become their daughter's son. So all the designation have been changed. It's changing always. জীব যখন মায়া অশুদ্ধ হন তখনই তিনি সধর্ম বিকার প্রযুক্ত বিশুদ্ধ অনাশ্রিত সুখ দুঃখ পৃষ্ঠ Maya Sambandha, when the living entities trap of Maya, then always moving this cycle. Janma, birth, mrityu, death, sukh, happiness, dukkha means distress, this cycle. Different, so many different type of pieces. 900,000 times different type of aquatic form. 2 million times different type of non-moving living entities form, like a tree, plant, stone. Then reptiles from 1100,000 times, 1100,000 times reptile form. Then and we can say the birds form 1 million times. This is the Padma Purana explained. And then 3 million times different type of animal form, such type of rotation. Then human form. Human form is the only one form where we can establish our consciousness towards the Lord. As soon as our consciousness fixing towards Lord, then we become pure. Then we don't like to come back here in this happiness and distress world. Actually, it is full of distress. No happiness is there in this material world. The sukho, dushko, pishto. Here, what we feel, sukho, happiness, that is just like we have so many demand and distress. This is explained by Bhaktivinoda Thakur. Here, sukh means, happiness means, that we have so many demand and distress. When we are able to recoup little bit of demand and distress, we feel happy. But that happiness again turning to distress. My spiritual master used to say, if ultimate condition, which happiness, ultimate condition putting us in distress, that happiness is not called happiness. It is actually distress. In that way, I am telling, this material world, if we just look, unless or until we are not keeping close connection with the Lord, everything is cause of our distress. Everything to whom we are saying. Even your body, if you attach too much with your body, you can see body is not make you happy anymore when you become old. Knee hurting, lower back hurting, eyes hurting to see, ear need, hearing aid. So all those things, it's not. But youth time, we feel happy. Ultimately, when you're old, everything gone. So anyway, জীবের কৃষ্ণদাস্য বিস্মৃতি হইবা মাত্রই সংসার গতি আসিয়া উপস্থিত হয়. As soon as jeev, living entities, Krishna Vismriti, forget Krishna, then the living entities come down to the material world. Sangsar gati. Sangsar means what? Sangsar, material attachment is what samsara. This materially attached. We know it is not that much value for us. But we are thinking, like a big house. We are thinking this is my place. But we know my duration of life only 100 years. I already 60-year-old, 70 years old. At any time we can die. But still, before dying, we thinking this is my house. But as soon as you die, and then your relatives, your own children, they will take your body to cremation ground. If you are Hindu, they will do they will cremate. And if you are not Hindu, or I don't know what different tradition, mostly their funeral ceremony they are doing. Buried under the earth. I heard that there is some tradition. The dead body they are hanging on the big tree, top of the big tree. All the vulture, all the hawk, they are eating the dead body in that way. Yeah, I saw. One day I was in car, and our Jageshwar Prabhu telling me, oh, this is this. I forget the culture. Which culture? Anyway, that is that there this graveyard. This you can see so many trees. Actually, people when they die, the dead body hanging of the big tree, the vulture, hawk, they are coming and eating the dead body. This is the Jiver Krishnadasa Vishmiti. As soon as you forget Krishna and our relation with Krishna, then we are come down to the material world. So don't forget the relation with Krishna and try to be connected with Krishna and gradually deliver yourself from this materially bound condition which is disturbing us, which is putting us always in distressful situation. জীব যতক্ষণ শুদ্ধ থাকেন ততক্ষণ তাহার স্বধর্মের অভিমান। শুদ্ধ means when জীব শুদ্ধ means connected with pure. Who is more pure? Krishna. Pure state, pure beings. Like if someone, Haridas Thakur, I can give an example, Haridas Thakur. He told by the Muslim king, you born in Muslim dynasty, Muslim family, why you are chanting, Hindu's name? Leave it. But Haridas Thakur was proud to chant the Lord's name. He says, if you punish me and give me the death penalty, such manner, cut one by one, piece by piece of entire body, and until my soul in this body, I will continue to chant. I will not stop my chanting on my tongue. That is explained by Haridas Thakur to that Muslim king. So that way they are always Abhiman. I am servant of Krishna. That pride is valuable pride. But I am an engineer. I am a lawyer. I am a prime minister. Such type of pride is temporary pride. But when Krishna when living entity connected with Krishna, and they become pride, I am connected with, I am servant of Krishna. That Abhiman, Abhiman means pride. Is first class, proud. This is the good pride, proud. মায়া সম্বন্ধে অশুদ্ধ হইলেই সেই অভিমান সংকুচিত হইয়া ভিন্ন ভিন্ন আকার ধারণ করে। As soon as we are Maya Sambandha means connected with Maya. Then that Sankuchito means Sankochito means that proud is spread with different form, Vinna Vinnakar, different form. When we forget that I explained, when we forget we are servant of Krishna, our relation with Krishna we forget, then we come down to the material world with different and relation with illusion. Bhinna bhinna akar dharan kare. Sometime, I already explained with different type of form, different type of relation. Maya sambandhe jiver suddha swarup linga stulodya abrito. Maya sambandhe, and connection with Maya, relation with Maya, jiver suddha swarup linga stulodya abrito hoy. Real swarup, sthul deho and linga deho. Sthul deho means this is the body. According to the karma, we are getting this sthul deho. Human, animal, reptiles, different type of form. Linga deho means I am male, female, such type of relation taking place. Maya sambandhe জীবের শুদ্ধ স্বরূপ নিশ্চলাভিত আছে, তখন লিঙ্গ শরীরে একটি পৃথক অভিমান উদয় হয়। পৃথক অভিমান means there is a পৃথক means separate. Prithak is separate means, but here should be the actually linga শরীরে পৃথক অভিমান উদয়, সেই অভিমান আবার স্থূলদেহ অভিমানের সহিত মিশ্রিত হইয়া তৃতীয় অভিমানের পরিণত। আচ্ছা, like I'm a male. When it is মায়া সম্বন্ধে জীবের শুদ্ধ স্বরূপ লিঙ্গ স্থূলদেহ আবৃত হয়, when we are connected to the Maya, then our Swarup, Swarup means we are Krishnadas, but it's covered with linga, I am male and female. And sthula sharir means a body. So, তখন লিঙ্গ শরীরে একটি পৃথক অভিমান উদয় হয়, সে অভিমান আবার স্থূলদেহের অভিমান সহিত মিশ্রিত হয়ে একটি তৃতীয় অভিমান রূপে পরিণত হয়। স্থূল দেহ means this body. So connected with, I am a male, I am a female, I am a whatever designation we have. Tritiya Abhiman, third false pride appear. Shuddha Sharire Jeev Keval Krishna Das, when in pure, when living entities in pure state, they are always thinking I am Krishna Das, servant of Krishna. লিঙ্গ শরীরে জীব আপনাকে সকর্ম ফলের ভোক্তা এবং ভোগ কর্তা বলিয়া মনে করেন। জীব always thinking, I made the house, that is my house. I have to enjoy this, right? This is for my enjoyment, not yours. If I come to Falguni's house, Rangadevi's house, the same house, and say, this is my house, will you allow me to say? And this is my house, I would like to stay there. Even this actually, whatever, the Australia, we were listening, these discourses. If I go to your home, which you are owning, no bank mortgage, you are just owning. If I say, this is my house, what do you say? Hey, get out from here. This is why I have to stay with my wives, with my children, this is my place. This is not your place. As soon as you leave your body will be here, then they will take you to this. If it is, I don't know, Australia, this, what they will do, funeral or cremate, according to their tradition, they will do it. They will do it. So, this is the, in this material world, no one is fixed. Everything always changing. Today, who is my friend, tomorrow you can see he become my enemy. Nothing stable. Therefore, try to fix our mind towards Krishna, where everything fixed. Linga sharira jeev apana ke sadharma phala chapna khamaya. তখন কৃষ্ণদাস, আচ্ছা, ভোক্তা ভোগকর্তা বলে মনে করেন, তখন কৃষ্ণদাস রূপ অভিমান লিঙ্গ দেহাভিমানের দ্বারা আবৃত হইয়া থাকে। Whenever we are become advanced devotee, we can say, I'm feeling I'm a Krishnadas. How much we proudly, boldly feel I'm feeling the Krishnadas, that much you are Krishnadas, that much big Krishnadas, my servant of Krishna. Then when how much attachment with Krishnadas, with this identity I am Krishnadas, that much we can say that all the false pride in Mayadevi's false pride is covered with Krishnadas. You understand what I would say? Under any circumstances, that time we can say, I am always, this is pure state. Pure, always we think, I am Krishnadas. Even we are suffering, we never say, oh Krishna, I am praying to you such a long time. Why you are giving me such trouble? I don't like to be anymore your servant. Never think about that. Always you think that I am your servant under any circumstances. Even you have a Brahmin faith. The real Brahmin, if the devotee, they say, I am Krishnadas. So then, anyway, let me see what is there. তখন কৃষ্ণদাস অভিমান লিঙ্গ দেহাভিমান দ্বারা আবৃত হইয়া থাকে। Krishnadas, that proud, covered all the linga dehaviman, all the male, female, or caste, creed, that covered. Therefore, our স্থূল দেহ লাভ করিয়া আমি ব্রাহ্মণ, রাজা, দরিদ্র, দুঃখী, রোগী, সুখী, অভিবাদ, আমি স্ত্রী, আমি অমুকের স্বামী, বহুবিধ স্থূল অভিমান দ্বারা পরিচয় দিয়া থাকে। This is, when Sarir, this body born in Brahmin dynasty family, Brahmin. So many layer of this Maya. So when I am in poor family, I am poor. I am not poor, I am not dukhi, when distressed. I am my only one designation, I am servant of Krishna. That we have to establish in our consciousness. As soon as we are able to establish such consciousness, then delivered from the miserable mundane world. Because time of the death, wherever our mind will go there. The whole day you are thinking about money, thinking about position, and the time of death you are thinking about money, position. If sometime you can see people are dying condition, they have dog, they have love for dog, they are thinking, they are telling to the relatives, bring the dog to show me the dog. So the time of death is He is thinking about dog. Where he will go? A dog. He become dog next life. Recently I saw one incident that one person, oh, say late for Australian time. One person, he has one son and one daughter. India marriage means, daughter marriage means so much, dowry. Dowry means so much money and gold you have to give to the daughter's husband. Or you have to give, that is the dowry. Demanding. And you have to fulfill their demand. Then they will accept your daughter. So, one poor person, he has son and daughter. So, but he used to work to a person. So, he took loan, 30,000 rupees. 30,000 rupees he took loan for his daughter's wedding. Then after some time, he died. Then next life, if you have debt, you're not able to pay off. You took it for material purpose. Then you have to pay off the debt, your debt. How? To born in that family as a dogs and cat. So he born in as a dog. So one day, his spirit soul appeared in the dream of his son. Son became a great businessman. And after incident, 5-6 years over, he became a great businessman. He has enough money. So that spirit soul of that person who expired, his father, he came to his dream of the son, and they say, "Hey, son, I am in the form of a dog in that home. So your sister wedding time, I took 30,000 loan. Is it possible for you to pay off the loan to that person?" But that person is not hankering to get the money back. He just gave him and forget it. He forget it. But as soon as you are able to pay off, then I can relieve from my dog life. Anyway, so son went to that person where his father used to work. He asking, "How much money my father took from you for my sister's wedding?" He said, "No, everything fine. Everything fine." But what happened? The son knew the dog was there. Then I asking, "Do you have a dog here?" "Yes." "Could you please call him?" "Yes." He called the dog. Dogs came. And eye to eye connection with his son. He realized dogs wants to say something. Then he requests, "Is it possible for you to allow me to take the dogs in my home? Just few days." "Yes, go." So in that period, the son says, "I know my father took from you, my sister wedding period, please take it back." And then that mother of the son means his dogs now her husband is dog from his home. He feed. As soon as he pay off the 30,000 rupees, and then that dog passes body. I forget, one person sent me by WhatsApp. No? So আমি স্ত্রী, আমি অমুকের স্বামী, means I am a husband of that person, I am such type of mithya abhiman, means false pride appear. Lingo deva, it's such false pride. You know, I think I read before this stuff, this part, but anyway, what to do, I can't remember where I read 2 weeks ago, the Jaiva Dharma. Anyway, just remember, page number 12, I have to read next week in front of you. Hare Krishna. If I say, actually, you know, words is very difficult to translate in English form. But I am just trying my best way, because I am not a good English speaker. I am just barely managed to express my heart to you. So if I made any mistake to express the real meaning of this, I hope I did proper way, according to my realization. But anyway, if there is any problems you feel, excuse me. I hope I will try my best way next week to explain more with my best ability to the context of Jaiva Dharma. Hare Krishna.